Morning. This is my normal wet hair look. Right, so Bertie's decided she's in her basket and doesn't want to go for a walk, so I'll do the bread. So the oven is on at 250, and if I look in my fridge, you can see, if I take one out, that they look quite nice now. So this is my Dutch oven here. It's just I've lined it with some fresh baking paper. So I just take my, sometimes I take this out. It tends to go a bit sort of damp on top just because of the condensation. I tend to sometimes take it out, maybe, 10 minutes before it goes in. Now I might need two hands for this. So, hold your horses, let's see if I can. Oh, I was going to make a risotto last night, but I didn't bother, hence the wine everywhere. Right, so this doesn't always work out. I just put it in the middle, like that. Right, there we go. So it's in my banneton, and then I cut, I can't do this with one hand actually. I do a big cut round the side like that. Oh God, it's difficult. So I do a big slash. I think I need to swap my, change my razor blade around so that I do one big slash like that. Make it look like I'm making a big old bloody hash of it. But then that allows it to kind of really open up, and then I just do a couple of, slashes like that across. So there you go, it's ready to go in. What you can do before you slash, if you want to make it look pretty, is just dust a bit of flour on, and then it just does a real pretty look. So then I just put this in my oven now. For 20 minutes. Now, if you had them on a tray, what I would do is on the bottom I would put a baking tray, like with a lip on it, and I would, just before you put the bread in, I would throw a load of ice cubes in so that it creates the steam, because what this Dutch oven is doing is creating the steam inside so that it gives that lovely caramelized sort of, crackledy effect with the really dark crust. And that's why the Dutch oven works really well. But otherwise you can create that falsely with ice cubes, which also make the bread a bit better. But I'll show you what it looks like in 20 minutes. Okay.